Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Art by SH. My client sent me a photo of their dog. I'm showing you. Please check it very carefully, which I first captured as a detailed pencil sketch on a pencil. Here my drawing is completed. I'm now bringing it to life with watercolors. I'm using titanium white, burnt umber, ghost yellow, scarlet blue, red rose, pony red, purple, green, viridian, sap green, and lake blue and ultramarine. First of all, I mix raw umber, black and titanium white in a bowl with water, so it will be diluted and runny colors. I will start painting on my dog. First of all, I am doing the outline with brush. Here I am drawing the detailed features of the dog and trying to follow the exact picture. Face drawing has been completed. Now I am starting watercolor. So I loaded some color on my brush and directly applying on my dog painting. But first of all, I dab that area where I have to drop the color, because it's the basic technique of watercolor painting. Hold some color, but your paper should be little wet where you have to apply the color. So here I am doing little bit detailing also, and using dark color, and where is the light area I am using very light brown like yellow ochre and raw umber. But where is too much dark, there I am using directly black color and ultramarine blue. Now I am loading my brush with yellow color and dropping this color in a bowl. Here I am using vermilion green and mixing them together, and it could be runny, adding some black color and some brown shade. Now I am starting to paint the leaves according to the picture. Here I painted all the leaves in different green shade, dark and light, to give it realistic look. Here is the final look of watercolor painting. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Art by SH.